Being artsy fartsy. Oh, I forgot I had tea here the entire time. I just wasted perfectly good tea. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this look. This is a Valentine's Day look. This is the look that I said I wanted to do a lot more color and a lot more drama. So I actually have, if you can't see it, little hearts imprinted on my eyes, and we're using different shades of pinks and purples, and we're just having fun. I even got like a really nice pink highlight going. So yeah, let's begin, and I really hope you enjoy. Now before I forget, pause this video and subscribe down below. You could wait till the end to like it because, you know, I really want your feedback. I want to know if I did a good job. I'm learning still, you know, new to this whole YouTuber thing. So I'm going to start with putting my hair in a headband because I want to be a little extra today, so I'm going to be wearing my flower crown. Yeah. Okay, as per usual, I already washed, moisturized, and primed my face, and I just used my Milk Makeup Blur Stick as my primer. So I'm going to be using the Matte and Pore-less from Maybelline again. I fixed my background today. I didn't want the outside showing through because it was looking like really weird, and if you looked at my previous video, it got like progressively darker throughout the day in the background. It was so weird. I like how this looks though. It makes the background look really nice and shiny. Okay, so I moved you guys a little closer, and I'm gonna go in with my concealer now that I finished my foundation. And if you want more of an in-depth look on how I do the base of my face, at the end of the video there will be like a little box somewhere here that you can click on, and it'll take you to a video where you can see in depth what I typically do. I'm going to blend this out, and then I'm also just going to let it bake under my eyes. So right now what I'm going to do is go in, quickly do my brows, and then I'll zoom you guys closer and we can get to the fun stuff. I'm going to sweep away this bake now. I don't really want it to get in my eyebrows. I'm wearing the cutest shirt today and the camera won't even pick it up. Look at this. It says "Hi Bye" on it. I thought it was like really nice and festive because the point of this video was like the Anti-Valentines Day video. I'm telling you right now, I never have even brows, so one of them is always like a Nike sign and then the other one's always not a Nike sign. I don't know. But brows are insane, man. Alright. I'm gonna go in at bronze. Using my butter bronzer. This is my absolute favorite, and my It Cosmetics powder brush. I'm like getting my flowers colored over here. I scooted you guys in a little closer. Now what I'm thinking is I want to use my Sephora Pro palette. This is the Editorial one, and I'm thinking I want to really stick with these colors right here, since that kind of reminds me of Valentine's Day. I'm going to be taking these little heart glitters right here, and I'm going to be placing them somewhere along this area, being the most teensy bit of lash glue, and just applying the smallest dot to this because I want it to stick to my eye while I'm blending. I think I'm just going to start with maybe this pink color right here, the hot pink color. It's in the middle of the palette. We're gonna pack that on our brush. And now we're just going to be focusing the color onto our crease, kind of making a U, and I'm going to sketch the color out. And like I said, I'm just going to be focusing the color here. It would be easier to probably tilt your head back to do this, but I'm tilting my head back and then just focusing the color in the shape of a U. And I'm not too worried about blending right this second because, again, this is just color placement, and then we'll blend it out at the end. Literally, my dog is just snoring. that looks pretty good. It looks a little crazy right now, but I promise we're going to blend this out. So I'm going to go in with the next shade over it, which is this purple, and I'm going to buff out the edges at the top with a flat fluffy brush because I want a little more precision and control. I also do not want the color to be too opaque, too pigmented, girl. So I'm going to just buff out the edges with this fluffy brush. Alright, we're gonna go with our lid color, and I was debating whether I wanted to do this purple or this red. I mean, I don't know, because I kind of like the way that purple looks, but I like the way that red looks, so I think we're just gonna go in with this red. I'm going to be taking a MAC 252, I believe this is, and it is grossly stained as well, like the rest of my brushes. And we're going to pack this color on, because I'm not super living, well, okay, no, that doesn't look that bad. I'm going to be taking a small pointed brush, because this is going to give me a little bit of precision when I'm trying to add it into here, so. I'm going to go in with this darker shade right here, and I'm going to be blending this color a little through my crease. I want to connect the two colors that I have over there, and I'm thinking a purple's the way to do it. So I'm starting with a very little amount. I don't want anything too harsh. So I'm going to use this really nice flat compact brush, and I think what I'm going to do is blend that dark pink, and then I'm going to fluff it out with that light purple. Ooh, that's a pink. So we're gonna go in with that dark pink that we put on our lid, and I'm going to be fluffing this under my eye. And again, in the beginning, I'm just doing color placement. I'm going to blend it out all afterwards. I'm going to go in with this purple right here. That is the mirror. That is not the stuff. I'm going to go in with this purple right here, and I'm just going to blend out that lower area. I'm going to be a little careful with this. Again, I'm just taking a fluffy brush, but I really just want to fluff this color out and not get it too messy. So I just fixed this corner where I had all the fallout, or as much as I can. And now we're going to remove the hearts. It's the end of the moment of truth to see if this worked or not. I mean, it kind of just looks like a dot. Okay, so I got a little creative. I added some of my Pat McGrath Iridescent Pigment with a little Farsali Rose Gold Elixir onto this plate, and it came out with like that color right there. So what I'm going to do is take a small eyeliner brush, and I'm going to fill in the hearts with that. If you're having trouble drawing hearts on your face, just draw kind of like a V, and that pretty much turns it into a heart. In my inner corner, I'm going to end up taking that bullet brush that I use to apply color to the corners of my lid, and we're going to clean it on our Veramona color switch. I'm going to take this shade right here. It is a iridescent pink shade. It is, again, from the Sephora Pro palette. I'm trying to keep everything from one palette so it's easier. And I'm just going to add this into the center of my tear duct. Okay, I zoomed you guys out a little bit because what I want to do now is add some lashes. This is like some thick ass lash. Look at that. That's a lot of lash. I'm ripping that off. Next, canceled. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my face. I am going to start with blush. So I'm going to be taking my Butter blush because it's a very nice pink. This is in the shade Rosy Pink. Okay, so I'm going to go on to highlighting now. I think I'm going to be taking my Pat McGrath Pigment. This one is an iridescent pink, and you can see the pink shift it has. I just think that it would look really nice. So, So we're going to be taking the Milani Metallic Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Cinematic Kiss. And I don't know, it looks matchy-matchy, right? Ah, love this highlight so much.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.